A day in my life as Pinay nakapangasawa ng fam na madiskarte for today's video mga bayot. As you can see, andito pala kami sa palengke mga bayot kasi namalingki kami. Oo, as you can see, diba? Oo. So, nagbili lang kami ng manok at tapos nagbili si Apam dyan ng shrimp kasi alam niya na burrito ko kasi yan at tignan nyo si Apam.
Which two do you want? 200 per kilo. 200 per kilo.
Two only?
Yeah, which one? This. This one?
Yeah.
Alright, see what we got there. Is that more or one more?
More.
More, she wants more. Alright, there we go. Crazy. I even said that. Nope. We'll start, man. I hope not gonna that. Thank you. Alright, squid, fish.
Kala, Kuya Juan, sana all nagkamay lang talaga si Apam ng kumuha ng squid at ng isda mga bayot, no? 'Di ba? Wala yang karte-arte at mag-as talaga yan siya kung gusto ko ba ng squid or gusto ko ba ng isda. Ganyan si Apam sa akin. Ay, Kuya Juan, at pagkatapos diyan, uwian na.
Take it right out there to the Yulita.
It's here? I think it's not here.
Trust me. I know your market's better than you do, apparently.
Wow. Out there.
What did I tell you? Oh, shortcut.
Okay.